Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood like a pro. First, you'll need to open and fund your account, which typically takes just a few minutes. Robinhood makes it easy to get started with a minimum deposit of $1. Once funded, you can explore the intuitive interface to find various investment opportunities. Use the search function to locate specific stocks or exchange-traded funds and review their current market data. It's a straightforward process to begin your investing journey. Now, let's dive into the types of investments available. Robinhood offers stocks, exchange-traded funds, and options contracts. Stocks represent ownership in a company, while ETFs are baskets of various securities. Options provide the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specific price. Always research a company's financial health and consider diversifying your investments to spread risk across different industries. To trade like a pro, leverage Robinhood's advanced features. Utilize limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, and set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Robinhood provides real-time market data and analyst ratings, which are crucial for making informed decisions. You can also invest in fractional shares, allowing you to own a piece of expensive stocks with as little as $1, making investing more accessible. Finally, smart investing involves managing risk and having a clear strategy. Always define your financial goals and stick to them, avoiding impulsive decisions. Regularly review your portfolio's performance to ensure it aligns with your objectives, making adjustments when necessary. Remember, all investments carry risk, so it's crucial to only invest capital you are comfortable losing. This approach helps build a resilient portfolio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.